Hey guys, in the last video, we had installed and configured ELK stack onto our GCP virtual machine. However, you can just type in the public IP address of the virtual machine and Kibana port and you get access to the homepage of Kibana. Well, that's a security risk. That's like allowing all the hackers of the world to come in and make unwanted changes and steal your data. So, we'll have to configure a security feature known as xpack in our cluster. There are 6 steps to configure xpack security. First, you have to stop Kibana and Elasticsearch service. Then you have to enable xpack. Now, in the previous versions of Elasticsearch, you had to install xpack as well. In the current version 7.6, as of the time of this recording, you do not have to install xpack, you just have to enable it. After that, you need to start Elasticsearch service. Then we have to set up some default credentials for built-in Elasticsearch users. Once those credentials have been set up, we can configure Kibana to authenticate against the Elasticsearch cluster using the credentials we've just set up. And finally, we can start the Kibana service. Now, on my lab VM, I've got this notepad file with all the steps, and I have my SSH connection into the GCP virtual machine already up. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is we need to stop Kibana and Elasticsearch service. So we can type in sudo systemctl stop Elasticsearch and sudo systemctl stop Kibana. Now once the services are stopped, I can go into the elasticsearch.yaml file. So sudo nano /etc/elasticsearch/elasticsearch.yaml. Now in the elasticsearch.yaml file, I have to go right at the bottom and add this line, xpack.security.enabled is true. So this line enables xpack security feature for our cluster. So copy and paste. Now I can save my elasticsearch.yaml file and I can start the Elasticsearch service. Sudo systemctl start Elasticsearch. Now once the Elasticsearch service is up, we can go into user, share, Elasticsearch, bin. So this is known as the Elasticsearch home directory, user share Elasticsearch. And in bin, if I do an ls, you'll see that I have all these scripts. Now the script I'm looking for is Elasticsearch setup passwords. So let's run this. Sudo /Elasticsearch setup passwords. Now here if I do --help, you'll see that I have two options. Auto lets the system randomly generates passwords for us, and interactive allows us to enter passwords. Now based on your organization's setting, you can choose auto or interactive. For the purpose of this demo, I will type in auto. So I'll get rid of this --help and type in auto and hit enter. Press yes, and it then generates passwords for me for all the built-in users. Now I'll copy all this and paste it here. And these passwords are really important, so you'll need to save them somewhere safe. Now once the passwords have been generated, I can get out of everything . So cd, and here if I do a curl on my Elasticsearch cluster, so curl -xget, localhost port 9200, I'll call in the cluster API and health and pretty, I get an authentication error. Now this tells us that the cluster has been secured using xpack. Now to run this command and get the cluster health, what I'll need to do is I'll need to pass in the authorization credentials. So I'll type in -u elastic, and then I'll copy the elastic user password. Elastic is the built-in super user rather, for your Elasticsearch cluster. So I'll paste it here. Minimize this. Put a space here. And I can then run this command. And as you can see, I'm able to successfully get the health of my cluster now. Now next thing we need to do is we need to configure kibana.yaml. So Kibana can authenticate against Elasticsearch cluster as well. So sudo nano /etc/kibana/kibana.yaml. Now here I have to go to the section where we have Kibana Elasticsearch username and password. Uncomment both. The username stays the same as Kibana, and the password will be the built-in password for Kibana user. So this password here, I'll copy it and I'll remove pass and I'll paste it. And now I can Control X and save this file. And now I can successfully start the Kibana service. Now I'll go back to my web page and refresh. I might get some denies before the cluster is finally up. Now once the cluster is up, we'll get to a login screen. And on the login screen, we'll have to supply the password for user Elastic for first time login. So copy Elastic and paste the password, login. Now after you've logged into the cluster for the first time using Elastic super user's password, you can then create your own admin users for this cluster, which I'll demonstrate now. So to add in super user, we'll need to go to management from the left navigation menu and then users under security. Here you need to click on create user and type in the username. So I'll type in admin. Password, you can choose any password of your choosing. And name and email address. And then role would be super user for this user. And click on create user. So email address is wrong, so let me correct it. And then click on create user to create this user. Now this is how you can configure xpack security on your cluster and create a super user inside Elasticsearch. With this, we've come to the end of this lecture. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.
If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.